Yeah, look at these, how pretty they are.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm at my grandma's this week and I just got here Friday, so yesterday, and so I'm spending the weekend with her. This was our first location I went to today, which was Home Depot, my grandma's local Home Depot. And then we went over to Poot's Cactus Nursery, which was amazing. My grandma loved it there. And so we went to a couple places, so I wanted to bring you along. We're at Poot's Cactus Nursery with my grandma and my mom and my son. Yes. Those are barrel cactus.
That looks like my hair. Yeah, that's nice. It's like an old man's hair.
Oh my gosh. So we walked around for a while. I did some recording of the nursery, but I didn't really talk during the video because I was just enjoying being there with my grandma and my mom and my son. And also I met one of my subscribers there, Debbie. Thanks for meeting me and bringing me some plants. I hope you enjoyed the plants I gave you. And it was just really nice to meet you. As we walked through Poot's, she did some shopping and I did some shopping and my mom and grandma did some shopping. So it was just a really good time. So if you haven't gone to Poot's and you're local to Ripon or you're in the area, I would really suggest you take a look and really see their collection that they have there. They're really nice people and they're just willing to give advice, and they have really good cactus that I bought, cactus mix that I bought. And so I'm really excited to use it. I'll show you what it looks like later on in one of my videos. This is a great time of year to go to Poot's because all of their cacti are pretty much blooming, which is beautiful. You'll see in some of the pictures. I made sure to get those beautiful blooms. They're just so gorgeous.
Oh my.
They have amazing cacti here.
The thorns on this is like the one I have, the thorns. These are hard. Side with the rock, with that big rock. Look at this one's a pretty one too. The red devil is $3.
It's not bad. You like that one, Grandma? Yeah?
plant that I have.
Yeah. It's not a
watching that they don't grow up. Once they start growing up like that, and then we have to be careful that they don't get too.
Oh, look at how big this is.
Yeah.
Please love it here. Look at how. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful.
That's some sedums.
Mom, those are big too. I saw those in there. This one looks a little gentle. I like that one. Come here, Papa. Those look really gentle.
Come hold my hand, baby.
I like that.
Come hold my hand, baby. Look at the lizard. Look at the lizard right there. See it? Right there. Here, hold my hand. We'll walk together. Okay, go. I'll go. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Okay, stay there. Stay there. Yes. Here with my son at a pond place. They have so many beautiful water features.
And then mommy's
Yeah. Those are pretty, huh?
What's that thing floating? It's another kind of little.
It's another kind.
That's another type of plant you can put in that thing.
Look at how it floats.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
Put it in your hand. Now close your hand like you're holding a baseball.
Close your mouth. Close your hand.
Now don't let him get it. You're gonna stick your hand down in there. Don't let him get it. Keep your hand closed, okay? See, he's tickling me. He's just does that hurt? Does that hurt when I do that? That's what it feels like. And don't flinch. I'm gonna put my hand here in case you flinch. You don't cut your hand, okay? Go ahead and put your hand down in there.
Put your hand in there.
Don't open your hand. Get down low. Get down low.
Look, it's gonna suck on your hand.
Now you can give it to him.
Now you can give it to him, Bubba. Let it go.
All right.
Look it. You fed it.
Give it some nice.
So cool. That one's huge.